Hi, good evening everyone. This is Labhyans and you are watching Labhyans YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope all are doing well. Good. So all are excited because Diwali are coming and as well as Chhath Puja is also coming. We are more excited Diwali than Chhath Puja because we are Bihari. That's why. Okay. Yeah, I'm also very excited. I don't know whether I will go home or not. Okay, let's see. Whatever happen, I will share with you. So today I will discuss with you, if you are learning English, if you want to start new journey. So in English, what to learn first, where to start. I hope you know basic language, basic thing in English. So if you know basic, so what else, means I know basic, so what else I need to learn so I can speak English. One thing is very important. If you speak Hindi and you are Hindi medium student, you are studying in Hindi medium, BSB board or any board which related to Hindi medium, so what should you learn first, where should you start, and you also think what should we start. So I will tell you what I did start and what are anybody, what everybody start. Like first we should start tenses. You know tenses, it is very important if you are learning English, if you want to speak and if you want to understand English, then tenses, it is a key, and tenses, it is a difficult too. You can't understand it in a day. It will take time. Approximately it will take 2 months, 3 months. When I was studying, I took 3 months time to understand tenses. So do not think that tenses is easy. It is a hard. It will take time. Tenses, if you know tenses very well, then you can speak English. If you know tenses, then after that, mm, if you understand tenses very well, then after tenses you can speak English. You will understand what speaking, what we are talking, what I am talking to you. You will get to know about it. But if you don't know tenses and if you move like without tenses, if you move any other thing like modular verb or anything, so everything go over your head. So first focus on tenses because tenses is very important in English. And as well as focus vocabulary, word meaning, watch YouTube channels, English blog, uh, listen English thing. You will get understand. I understand here at the starting time, initial phase, you will not understand, but as you started, you will love it. As you love Hindi, you you also love English. So I would suggest to you, watch English blog too if you are learning English, or listen English. Starting time it will face some issue, but day by day it will, everything will help. So focus on tenses first, then think anything else. I hope like this video Thank you so much watching my video so far. See you next vlog. Good night.